everyone, this is Becky with Scott Leroy Marketing, and today I want to show you how you can temporarily stop receiving routed leads if you are on a team within Command. So lead routing is basically how team leads are distributed, and so your Rainmaker may have it set up to have leads automatically sent over to you. You do have the ability to temporarily take yourself out of lead routing. So this can be used if you are sick, going on vacation, if you have an appointment, or any other reason that you may need to pause your lead routing. So the first thing that you are going to want to do is you are going to want to sign into Command, which is agent.kw.com, and you're going to want to make sure that you are in your team account. So to double check on which account you are in, you will click on your name in the top right corner. And the top account that shows is the account that you are currently in. So we can see right here, it will have your team name. So you can see that. And then under other accounts, it should have your personal account. So if you are in your personal account and you need to switch to your team account, you can select on the account here. So once we are in our team account, we're going to navigate over to the contacts applet. The contacts applet is the square with the person in it on the left-hand side. And once we are here, we are going to click pause lead assignment. And from there, we can select how long we want to pause the new lead assignment for. So we can pause for 1 hour, we can pause it for 3 hours, or we can set a date and time that we want it to be paused until. So for example, if we're going out of town and we will be back within a week and we want to pause lead assignment until then, we can click on a week from now and set the time. We'll say AM, and then we will click apply. And then all lead assignment will be paused until that date and time. If for any reason you do need to resume your lead assignment, you can click resume lead assignment here, and it will go ahead and resume that for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we will be happy to answer any questions you may have.